Balance is something I'm and Hero are really keen on, not just when it comes to exercise, but other aspects of your life. But let's just concentrate and crystallize it in on exercise right now. If we are looking at balancing in push-ups and we're constantly pushing through this anterior motion, our shoulders are going to continue to round out. So what we want to do is we want to create rituals that are going to create balance through our posterior chain, especially up the back there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach to the end of this video a really great warm-up drill that you can do pretty much every day before you do exercises. It just sends a signal to that neuromuscular connection between your mind and your body to be able to really retract that scapula. But you can be doing this. I would do this, honestly, every single push-up you are doing, I would do like 2 of these banded pull-aparts. Let me know if you have any questions about the banded pull-apart, but I'm going to attach it to this particular video, and I want you guys to really do this. If you don't have a band, you can simply just imagine you have a band and create that scapular movement where it's your 2 shoulder blades are kissing together and then pulling far apart. Things to remember is bringing your shoulder blades down and then together. Any questions, please shoot out. You need to focus on action, and then motivation will continue to ride along. Have a great Monday. The banded pull apart. Take a resistance band, hold on with your palms facing up to the sky in a supinated position. Outstretch your arm. Begin with separating your shoulder blades as much as you possibly can, actively pulling the band together and squeezing your shoulder blades together. Rounding out, squeezing together. Making sure every time you squeeze those shoulder blades together, you're depressing your scapula and ensuring that your shoulders do not come up to your ears but come away from your ears.